Have you ever tried a sweet and savory club sandwich? If not, then you're in for a treat. Club sandwiches have been delighting palates worldwide with their multiple layers of meat, vegetables, and sauces. But this is not your ordinary club sandwich. This particular version offers an intriguing blend of sweet and savory flavors that will surely satisfy even the most discerning palate. So if your taste buds are craving for a unique sandwich experience, stick around as we delve into the making of this mouth-watering sandwich. The secret to a perfect sandwich lies in its ingredients. For our sweet and savory club sandwich, we will need the following. Firstly, slices of toast. You can use either whole wheat or white bread, depending on your preference. Next, some grilled chicken. We'll be slicing this into thin pieces. We also need bacon, grilled to perfection. Fresh tomato slices will add a vibrant touch to our sandwich. Cheese slices are a must, and you can use your favorite type, whether it's cheddar or Swiss. We'll then add in some mayonnaise, which can be plain or spiced up with your preferred seasonings. Fresh lettuce leaves will bring in a nice crunch and flavor. To balance the savory, we'll add in a splash of lemon juice, a drizzle of honey, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. With these ingredients at the ready, we can now start assembling our delightful sandwich. Now it's time to put together our sweet and savory club sandwich. We'll begin with our toasted bread slices. Whether you prefer whole grain or white bread, make sure they're nicely toasted to a golden brown and crispy texture. Next, we're going to layer on some regular mayonnaise onto the bottom slice. This creamy base will hold all our ingredients together and enhance the flavor of our sandwich. On top of the mayo, we'll place our grilled chicken slices. The chicken provides a lean source of protein and a delightful savory taste. The next layer is our grilled beef bacon. This is where we start to build that signature club sandwich height and a smoky flavor. Fresh tomato slices are added next, followed by slices of your favorite cheese. You can opt for cheddar or Swiss, anything that tickles your fancy. Now, we're going to sprinkle some lemon juice along with a pinch of salt and pepper. This will bring a zesty contrast to the savory meats and cheese. A fresh lettuce leaf goes on top of the cheese. Not only does it add a nice crunch, but it also brings a refreshing taste to our sandwich. We're near the end now. Drizzle a bit of honey over the lettuce. The honey adds a delightful sweetness that balances out the savory elements of our sandwich beautifully. Finally, we'll top everything off with the second slice of toast. Secure your sandwich with some toothpicks to keep all those delicious layers in place. And there you have it. Slice your club sandwich into halves or quarters, depending on your preference, and serve it up on a plate. Remember, this recipe can be tailored to your own taste. Some might want to add additional bacon or roast beef slices for more savory flavor, while others might opt for avocado slices or sautéed mushrooms. Our sweet and savory club sandwich is a flavorful balance between sweet and savory components. It's versatile and can be enjoyed at any time of the day. It's perfect for those seeking a different and enjoyable twist on the traditional club sandwich. Give this unique recipe a try and relish the delicious blend of sweetness and savory in our delectable sweet and savory club sandwich. And just like that, our sweet and savory club sandwich is ready to be devoured. Now comes the best part, tasting. As you take your first bite into this sweet and savory club sandwich, the different layers of flavor begin to dance on your palate. You'll experience the tender, juicy grilled chicken first, with its savory notes perfectly balanced by the sweetness of honey. The crispy bacon adds a smoky touch, while the fresh tomatoes and lettuce offer a refreshing crunch. The tang of lemon juice and the creaminess of mayonnaise tie everything together, creating a symphony of flavors that's simply irresistible. What's even better is that this sandwich is incredibly versatile. If you're not a fan of chicken, feel free to replace it with your protein of choice. Perhaps some roast beef, or even some slices of avocado for a vegetarian twist. The same goes for other ingredients as well. You can switch up the cheese, add some pickles for an extra crunch, or even drizzle some hot sauce if you like a bit of heat. This sandwich is a testament to the beauty of balance. The balance between sweet and savory, between crunchy and creamy, and between hearty and light. It's a sandwich that you can truly make your own, and one that you can enjoy at any time of the day. So there you have it, a sweet and savory club sandwich that's a delightful twist on a classic. Do give this recipe a try and savor the delightful blend of sweet and savory in every bite.